Before pairing your BedJet V3 with the mobile app, ensure your device is powered on and ready for connection. On your smartphone, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. These connections are essential for the pairing process and ongoing app functionality. Open the BedJet app on your smartphone. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best connectivity experience and recent improvements. Follow the on-screen instructions in the app to begin pairing. The process will guide you through connecting your BedJet device to your smartphone. If prompted during pairing, you may need to press the low power button on the back of your BedJet unit twice. This helps establish the connection between your device and the app. If you encounter connectivity issues during pairing, simply restart your BedJet device. This resolves most connection problems and allows for a fresh pairing attempt. Once successfully paired, your BedJet app will display device settings and climate control options. You now have full access to advanced features and remote control capabilities. The BedJet V3 offers 4 distinct climate control modes to optimize your sleep environment. Each mode serves a specific purpose for temperature regulation throughout the night. Turbo mode provides rapid heating to quickly warm your bed when you first get in. Heat mode offers continuous warming up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit for sustained comfort. Cool mode circulates air at ambient room temperature to wick away moisture and body heat. Dry mode focuses specifically on moisture control for a more comfortable sleep surface. Here's how the BedJet system integrates with your bed setup. The unit connects via a flexible hose to deliver precise climate control directly to your sleeping surface. The biorhythm feature allows you to program custom heating and cooling profiles throughout the night, aligning temperature changes with your natural sleep cycle. You can create sequences that cool you down as you fall asleep, maintain optimal temperature during deep sleep, and gently warm you before waking. This personalized approach enhances sleep quality. Understanding your sleep cycle helps optimize these settings. Your body temperature naturally fluctuates throughout different sleep stages, and the BedJet can complement these changes. For optimal performance, consider using a cloud sheet. This specially designed sheet evenly distributes airflow and prevents direct air from blowing on your body. It's important to understand the BedJet's limitations. While highly effective for bed temperature control, it's not a replacement for air conditioning in extremely hot rooms. Finally, regularly check for app updates to benefit from bug fixes, improved connectivity, and new features. The BedJet team continuously enhances the user experience through software improvements.